Hi, welcome to Super Tech Guru, and I'm going to review this Mamela Natural Batana Oil. This is 100% raw, unfiltered, pure, and totally sourced from Honduras Batana Oil. And this Batana Oil company sent me for review purpose. And after like many months testing, I am submitting my review that this is really incredible Batana Oil. And this bottle this like earlier I used lots of oil, lots of hair growth shampoo, lots of hair related pills, but nothing worked. And I had thinning hair problem, I had a hair fall problem. But since I am using this Mela Earth see raw Botana oil, this is Botana paste, 100% unfiltered and raw and natural and pure and totally sourced from Honduras. And see, this is this is the oil, and this is totally made in Honduras. And I take this oil and apply this oil on my palm, see, and with my body heat this oil melts down like this. It is melted now. Then I apply this oil on my palm using my fingertips, see, oh sorry, apply this oil on my head using my fingertips, see, and then I gently massage this oil for 4 or 5 minutes on my head properly, so it penetrates into my hair roots. And after I apply this oil 2 times in a day, like one time in the morning or one time before going to bed. And since I am using, this is my personal view, not any medical advice, not any hair growth related advice or health related advice, but this is what I experienced after using this Mamela Earth Batana oil. And I feel now my hair are more bouncing, more shining, more growing, and no thinning hair problem, more stronger too. And this is incredible miracle Batana oil. I recommend it. This is my personal view. It is like worth it product. And after applying this oil, I apply this wooden massager. See, here is like acupuncture points. Then I massage using this wooden massager like this, horizontally, vertically, like both ways. So you, after you applying this massager, there is more blood flow on my scalp, see, because of acupuncture massaging. See, more blood flow means more hair growth, more thinning hair problem resolution, and more thicken hair and more stronger and shining hair. And and almost my hair fall problem now almost finished. See, this way I massage using this massager after applying this Mamela Earth Batana oil. And I recommend this Mamela Earth Batana oil. This is my personal view, not any medical advice. What I am experiencing after using this for I am like telling. See, this is my personal view. I recommend this.